our elaborate innovation ambassador. We have done it for school teachers, but if you are anyone of you are interested in doing the innovation ambassador, then we can open it for you also. And it is again a very 52 hours kind of a program. And you can do it completely online. And it has 5 modules. One module is dedicated to design thinking. The other module is dedicated to IPR, intellectual property and so on and so forth. Then one module which talks about if you have an idea, if somebody comes with an idea, so how we can take it forward, how to identify TRL levels and technology readiness levels and so on and so forth. So these are very important concepts which are there. Then one module which is related to finance and understanding basic jargon, like what is an angel investor, what is venture capital, what is pre-angel investment, what is incubation, what is pre-incubation, and so on and so forth. So this is the new jargon which is there. So how to understand that? So that when you see some good idea, you should know that whether it is going to pre-incubation or if you should take it to an incubator or you should take it to an accelerator, and what kind of serial funding, whether you have a regular funding or field funding or series funding, series funding, and so on and so forth. So it will actually help you understand some of these concepts. So this is the point. We would like to continue this initiative. Please let us know because this is also for the first time we are doing this government officer. So we would like to actually have your feedback. And we are doing it in collaboration with Vardhani Foundation. So Sunita ji is here, who is helping us, has been our real pillar at Ministry of Education, and all of you who have joined us today. So together we will make this program successful. Thank you very much. We will appreciate it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sharing the genesis of the program and thank you for encouraging all the participants. We have Dr. Sujata from Vardhani Foundation also joined. We also have Dr. P.P. Nina from Department of Food and Nutrition, who leads TF3 School. He has also joined. So welcome both of you also. Moving forward, we have our additional secretary, Sri Dheeraj Sahuji, who leads this initiative for Department of Food Education and Literacy. And I request Sahu sir to attend the gathering, please. Sahu sir. Yeah. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Dr. K.G. Sridhara, Chairman AICT, Dr. Rajeev, Vice Chairman AICT and Chief Innovation Officer, Ms. Preeti Nina, Director, Department of School Education, Ms. Sujata from Vardhani Foundation, and my dear participants sitting in the 7 different locations in different parts of the country. It's indeed a pleasure talking to you all in this occasion of workshop, a new series of workshops which AICT and Innovation Cell has taken up. I thank AICT and Vardhani Foundation for taking up this initiative. See, this program has been conceptualized under PM3, and as you all know, PM3 is a scheme of Government of India in which we are developing modern schools under the National Education Policy. Workshop, I believe that these participants will benefit from the previous discussions that happened here and also that Department of School Education has already taken in this regard. As you may be aware, that the Ministry of Education, Innovation Cell, and AICT has taken several initiatives in this direction, which include programs such as School innovation and manager fields program. School innovations are design thinking institute for you. Have an IP literacy and advantage for school. National policy for promoting innovations in schools and boot camp on innovation design and entrepreneurship. Many of these initiatives you must be already working. My request to all the participants is to make the best use of this workshop. Be inquisitive, ask as many questions as possible in the course of this workshop so as to enhance your understanding of these concepts and whet your ability to guide students and inspire them to innovate. Innovation in itself is not just about developing new products. It's also about thinking new ways of doing things. So it may be related to process, even like how one does business. One may think of a novel idea of doing the business. For example, if you take up the uh, instant delivery concept that has come in the market, or aggregation of different services, aggregation services that we see nowadays, which have become a part and parcel of our life. It was unheard of, say, 10 years back. But now we realize that the components were already available in the market and we were using them in different separate parts. But through aggregation, the level of service, the satisfaction which the everyone of that service uh, obtains has gone up much higher. So it's about innovation of the process. So during this workshop, I believe that you will come across several new ideas as well as moments when you realize that this thing is something which you already knew. It was deep inside your thoughts, but you have never uh, uh, basically turned your attention to those thoughts because you were busy doing something more routine which we have been doing in our daily official responsibility as part of our daily work. So it's about not only about learning something new, but also about rediscovering ourselves. I'm happy that in the workshop, the organizations have also included the aspect of commercializing the innovation that we think of. That is an important part. Unless we do that, our exercise is it's of no use to the society, and it will never become a sustainable model of doing what you set out to do. So that those lessons will also be helpful for all the participants. And I'm also happy that in this workshop there is a component of actual visit to an incubation center. So this will actually show what is concept all along and how it has to be implemented. So I would wish you all the best and request you to give 100% of your attention to this training and go back as a renewed, more vibrant and more knowledgeable teacher, mentor, and official of the district so that the children who are studying in our schools benefit and become competent to meet the challenges of the 21st century. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. As you rightly mentioned, this is a very important milestone for ADP implementation because we have very unique participant students. We do not have teachers and students as participant students. We have direct members and we have district education officers as participant students. I think they will carry the flag of innovation and in schools ahead. With this, we will go for inauguration of the program. Uh, I request IDE present and request Honorable Chairman and Honorable Vice Chairman to kindly inaugurate.
No, no. Yes.
Yeah. I request you to formally announce, sir.
Chairman, sir, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. We are now we will provide uh, please go.
Sir, I'm going to go ahead. Thank you so much. We have with us Dr. D.K. the Honorable Chairman, ACT. And for all these kind of programs, wherever he's always there with us. And he always says that wherever I will join the program and I will definitely there. So, sir, really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for being there with us and encouraging us. Request you to address the guidance. Honorable Chairman.
Thank you. So people understand. See, there is Additional Secretary, Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, Dr. Baite, Vice Chairman, AICT, and all the AICT colleagues who are assembled here along with school education and all the district education officers and also the IDE members. And I mean, I think this event, first of all, I'm very happy to inaugurate this jointly with the Additional Secretary and Vice Chairman to take capacity building workshop, innovation design and entrepreneurship for all the officers of the district education. So it's very important today because recently we have launched Buildathon, which has really attracted a very large number of students who are keen to participate, and we have seen through school innovation and design thinking, other boot camps, our number of young children are very keen on building products, trying to understand innovation, create innovation, and in my process, I think for them they need mentors. All of you are also should be upskilled to that level so that you are there for this understand what those things are doing. Because today we are living in a very disruptive, technologically disruptive world. Wherein all of us have to be ready. Many of us want to also upskill in this skill. And Yogesh was saying, sir was wanted to attend this. No, no, I wanted to actually learn from these events what we can transform the nation. So I'm very happy to be here today of the Central Online Evaluation on the capacity building, and I'm happy to inaugurate this. So I also welcome all of you for this Central Online Evaluation. But all of you know that this is happening in 3 phases. That today we have about 7 uh, groups, and maybe tomorrow on 6th and 7th of November we have about 8 locations. 20th and 21st November and 11 locations. So that totally makes 26 locations which were going to happen in these 3 weeks. So this workshop is organized jointly by the Department of School Education and Literacy. So first of all, I would like to also thank the Honorable Minister for Education, Sri Navendra Patanji, and also Secretary of School Education, Sri Sujay Kumarji, for letting us organize this along the school, because these are the input for our ACT professional courses. So there we can actually inculcate the culture of innovation. So what this entrepreneurial mindset very early while in the kids of the school itself. So thinking of solutions, not just answers. So that's the key point of it. And that's where you as district officers and DRET members motivate young people in the design thinking. Because what is design thinking? It is basically a human-centered approach to innovation, as the Jane was highlighting. See, many times your ideas may be good, but it may not be able to attract attracted by the people. So innovation from understanding who are the users and how do you redefine based on that, redefine a problem to solve to create an effective solution. So this is where this culture is very important, friends. So I hope this today will be very useful to all of you. And all of you should seriously participate, and it's going to remarkable, going to make a remarkable impact among students and teachers also. So you are as an officer, if you understand this importance of this design thinking and the entrepreneurial culture, how important it is for the nation, the nation has to become the because I think entrepreneurial culture is very important and it should start early. So now what we are looking at is for you, district education officer and I, who are playing a pivotal role in the education system. So you are not just the administrators, but you are the change makers, change agents. You are responsible for mentoring teachers, enabling innovation in classrooms, providing infrastructure and facilities in our schools, and also connect schools with the regional engineering colleges and polytechnics. And is deeply connected to nurturing innovation and entrepreneurship across all levels of education. I congratulate my entire team who's working in this direction. So, with the Yogesh and many, and many other people who are independent to put these things of innovation. And I really strongly believe that if these things of innovation, one learning and education through the school education, our kids won't become entrepreneurs. As you know, we are already the third largest startup capital of the world. But these startups have to also be should be successful. So to make them successful and provide support to the kids who would like to venture into this area is very much essential. So through this program, actually, in this 26 bootcamp, 14 bootcamps, uh, we will actually a lot of eminent people who are going to train, like from Advani Foundation, from EICT, from Innovation Council, and also some